Thank you.
If I may ask, what do you do when you have some negative thoughts in your head? What is the simplest thing one can do to rid oneself of those negative thoughts, overthinking and negative thoughts?
Negative emotion, you see, mainly related with two things. One, self-centered attitude. I, my, like that. See, that. Then another sort of factor is we accept the reality as appears. The shunyata, anatma theory, and the shunyata theory, nothing exists as appears. So since all negative emotion very much based on appearances, so once you realize nothing exists as appears, the wisdom side, parija side, upaya side, altruism, so the antidote of self-centered attitude. So self-centeredness is one factor. And then believe or grasp things as appears. These two things are the basis of negative, destructive emotion. Okay.